Hello YouTube. Bon, dans cet épisode, on va avancer, on va faire la Malforge. Alors, pour ça, je vais devoir renvoyer au camp.
Darling, remembering I'm
Alors,
growing to like the whole package. Honestly. And you clearly like me too. So.
Qu'est-ce qui m'a trahi?
I could feel it as I was getting lost in your neck.
Ok.
Your little shakes of excitement. You enjoyed it, didn't you?
Ça me dégoûte un peu. Vous ne vous attendez tout de même pas à ce que je réponde à ça, si.
You don't have to say a thing. I already know how you feel.
Ça me dégoûte un petit peu les
Because I feel it too.
les boucles comme ça, je les trouve
We could
maxi
take an
cringe.
evening to ourselves, get away from camp, get some privacy. I know somewhere quiet, somewhere intimate, somewhere we can indulge in each other.
Ça me cringe tellement. Quelqu'un de plus soupçonné pourrait trouver ce genre de discours extrêmement suspect.
Thank goodness we're all such good, trusting friends then. On my honor, the only thing on my mind is depraved carnal lust.
Désolé, je suis trop cringe.
You're no fun at all. Deny your feelings all you like. It doesn't matter to me.
Je n'arrive pas à revoir
I've
ça,
already
Starion. Il
tasted
me
you,
cringe trop.
and that's all the carnal delight I need.
Il y a plein de personnes qui simp sur ce perso.
I
Moi,
hear you did the deed.
Ah, purée.
How was your little romp?
Ça ne vous regarde pas.
Spoil sport. Well, what do you want? If you're not here to gossip.
Il faut que vous restiez encore pendant quelques temps.
Darling, I'm hurt. I thought we had something special.
Restez au camp, s'il vous plaît.
Well, you know where to find me.
Il me cringe tellement. C'est terrible. On va renvoyer Walker aussi parce qu'elle a pas de...
I've been catching myself smiling more lately. I suppose a little me time at camp wouldn't go amiss.
Elle a pas discuté, hein. Merci, hein. Vraiment merci à elle. Hein.
Oh, hi.
Vous allez devoir rester au camp un petit peu.
Really? Really, really?
Vous avez bien entendu.
If you insist.
Ok. Parce que, en fait, je peux pas avoir trop de membres sur moi dans ce genre... Enfin, dans mon groupe, dans ce genre de truc. Je les récupérerai dans 30 secondes. Et renvoyer cela, ça m'embête parce qu'il concentre un sort. J'aurais dû renvoyer Gay, il est pas Astarion en réalité. Mettre le cap vers l'obscurité.
You there! Drow! Why are you in Gexraft? We aren't expecting more of you. Where's Gek? Who are you?
J'ai vu un cadavre laissé par les Myconides. Votre Gek est sûrement mort.
Damn it. Gek's gone and screwed up. If he's dead, so's the squat. Move over. I'll take you to shore. You're the one telling the sergeant what happened. The rest of you, keep patrolling. I'm heading back with the drow.
You continue forward in silence until the lights of a camp twinkle through the murk.
Ok.
Well, I'll be plowed sideways. We've got a welcoming party.
You shithead! Time you showed up, we got trouble.
Spit it out! Sergeant finally choked on True Soul Near's prick.
Rugno! The twat soul caused a rockfall. Trapped tighter than a ring on a fat finger.
You're shitting me. You pay up?
That's the trouble. He's got the gold on him. Sergeant's arm is falling off with all the gnome slaves she's been beating. Who's the hoon? Friend of Near's? Or you plough and drow now?
Ouah, j'avais de la vie, pour qui nous prenez-vous? Des pecnos?
Pity for you. A good plough might dislodge that stick from your... Oh.
You feel the slightest of stirrings in your head. The Dwergar is not infected, yet your minds resonate.
Oh. I'll be... You're one of them cult freaks. Felt the tingle. Your twat-soul chum owes us a load of coin. You want through? Make a donation.
Vous voulez mon or, il me faudra passer sur le corps.
Unclog your hole. Just shitting around. But I'm warning you. That twat soul ain't settled up soon. There'll be hell to pay for the lot of you cult buggers.
As for the gnome slaves, pay no heed. A bleeding heart is an unnecessary burden.
Ok. On va débloquer le point. Voilà. On va retourner récupérer les zouaves. Et viens là.
So, I'm fine with either, naturally. The last thing I want to do is ruin these nails digging through rock.
On n'a pas que ça à faire s'il faut s'arrêter chaque fois qu'on croise quelqu'un.
I could not agree more. To hells with them all.
J'ai besoin de vous dans mon groupe.
Darling, lead on.
Karlach.
I have a lot on my mind. We need to get that Near guy unstuck, or those gnomes are done for.
Venez,
Come
il est
Hell
temps d'y
yeah.
aller. Et enfin... Ombre cœur. Donc c'est la première chose qu'on va faire, hein. Aller sauver Near.
That drow,
Sauver.
Near, is going to be on his last gasp unless someone digs him out. Though, not necessarily our concern, of course. All right, some company wouldn't hurt on the road.
Bien. Bien, bien, bien. On va faire ça.
This place is hard to bear. I hope we're able to continue on our way before too long.
I know what you mean. Everyone is so dead drow, unhappy, publicly displayed. The Dwergar are sending a message.
Well,
I speak true, brothers. You know it in your hearts. You know it in your very souls.
We need no Lolth, no Spider Queen. Father Mermuth is the head of Clan Lur. He hatched us, raised us, feeds us.
What care we for his business here? He keeps us small, keeps us contained. We should be with the Spider Queen, revered, adored.
Laissez cette mutinerie s'orchestrer sous vos yeux.
Father Mermuth protects us. He shelters us. He is all he is and all he is not.
Fools! Don't you see? The time of Mermath has passed. The Spider Queen awaits us.
Ungrateful, traitorous, undeserving. Snitch.
Ah ouais, à ce point-là.
No one drugs with Clan Flameshade.
Alors,
A military fortress, perhaps? An odd sight in these dim caverns.
avant d'aller s'occuper de nerfs,
Whoever built it, they've let it rot for ages.
on va d'abord aller de ce côté. Oh, un chou. J'apprécie. On va looter tout ça.
As you look at the skeletons, you realize they are all clad in the same dark armor.
Dark Justicia uniforms. These were Shah worshippers. The same as me.
Celui qui les a tués s'est fait l'ennemi d'une puissante déesse.
Powerful enough to take her own revenge, I'm sure. No need for us to get involved.
Évidemment.
Keep a blade close. Symbol.
Looking ahead. This crossbow is too well designed to be made by Dwergar. Light on my feet.
Oula, la caméra.
Oh! Hello? Hey!
So, are you creating invisible beings or just losing your mind?
The echoes, listen. They're coming from 3 directions.
Non, ça vous dit pas de... Non.
Over here.
C'est pas grave, j'ai juste besoin d'Astarion. Un peu juste tout ça.
Hardly a challenge.
Everything is clear.
Ok. On retourne ici. Ah, quoique non. Non, non,
How
on
much
va pas
further can
retourner
I
ici.
go?
On a un combat à faire. S'ils veulent bien se dépêcher.
You, grab a cane and whip these Drugnin beasts into shape. That rubble needs clearing, and my patience is hanging on by an arse whisker.
Vous allez essayer de leur demander poliment.
Oh yeah, maybe say pretty please as well. Throw in a curtsy. That'd be soft. Something spooks the dumb shits. So stop your jawing and get to working.
I need a quick word.
Or I'll swap my...
No more! No more pain, no more work! All must die!
Laisse éclater ta colère et venge-toi des souffrances que tu as subies, mais pas aveuglement, on frappe uniquement tes maîtres.
Yes, they made the pain. Now they feel it!
Bloody Rothay have lost it. Put them down, and the shark too.
Talk to me.
I won't give in.
J'aime pas trop les esclavagistes, perso.
Ready. Got to move.
Duergar can't hurt anymore. We'll wait until it's safe to leave.
Rends-moi service, pulvérise ces gravats avant de partir.
You helped me. I help you.
Those specks of adamantine in this slag.
Cette zone-là, on ira
Been this way
après.
before.
On va aller s'occuper du cas de Ner.
A scrying eye. One roamed the goblin settlement, if I recall. Someone's...
Faster! Heat up some rocks! Let's see how the little pricks do when we strap fire to their legs.
Not the most sophisticated way of getting what you want from someone, is it?
Move! I don't have time for you.
On m'a demandé de vous faire mon rapport. Geek, Charbon et Mar.
Dead. Drugning Gek. Figured I could count on him. Lesson damn well learned. Now move! I've got no time for...
The parasite stirs, but it's a mere tickle. You hear no thoughts or memories, just an echo of scars that never healed.
A true soul, eh? Useless wreck of a lookout could have told me. Glad you're here to take responsibility. Tunnels collapsed. Trapped true soul near. He's stuck in there with poisoned geezers. We don't get him out soon, it's both our heads.
Je vais m'en occuper.
Thought you would. True souls don't abandon their own.
Alors... Je vais devoir utiliser un de mes précieux... Tonley.
Get back.
One spark and it'll blow.
Quoique avant, j'aimerais bien aller récupérer un endroit. J'ai totalement oublié. Il me semble pas qu'on soit limité dans le temps.
No one drugs with Clan Flameshade.
You got me. You wouldn't survive a 10-day on your own. 10 day. Consistent. I'll give you that.
Oh, faut de quoi là?
Unless you're here to kick some stiffs lakeside, I suggest you bugger off.
Vous avez regardé s'il n'y avait rien d'intéressant, j'espère.
You gotta be kidding. These trash don't have nothing on them but rocks. Rocks.
Perception, inspecter les corps.
You spot a shiny trinket on one of the corpses.
J'ai fini votre travail, allez rejoindre les autres.
Thank the Absolute. They're all yours. Absolute.
Deep gnomes, killed under the yoke of slavers.
Incliner la tête en signe de respect. Oui, bah Astarion, tu dis bonjour à quelqu'un, il désapprouve.
Save your prayers for someone who at least had the spine to fight back.
Tout le monde n'a pas ton courage, Marus.
Don't touch me. Oh, for a skeleton key.
Can't give up now. With haste. Oh, the scraps of a nightfall feast.
To break bread in Shah's name, then spill blood in
That's
her
curious.
sacred right.
Le problème, c'est que si je vais pas faire ça maintenant,
Looks mighty odd.
je risque de
Someone's been
passer
messing with it.
Still breathing, despite everything.
à côté d'un truc plutôt sympa.
Need to find a way forward.
Ah oui.
Looks like an ambush.
Ouais.
Nothing important is ever easy.
There's blood in the air.
What should I do? Focus straight through.
Go for the throat. Quickly.
Ah. Examiner. Vase. Tac, bon. Je sais que vous aimez pas trop le feu, de manière générale. Ah ouais, à ce point-là.
Victory awaits.
Will.
Favors the fears.
Tac.
Finding my way.
Press ahead. What's inside? Bet that will fit in my pack. Tools and a thick rope. Someone climbed up from down below.
J'ai quelque chose d'extrêmement important à les récupérer. Allez. Voilà.
Hold it! I swear to Iron Hand. One more step and I blow us to chunks!
An ashen scent fills the air. The barrel is filled with smoke powder, but the scent is acrid, as if contaminated somehow. Or much, much more concentrated.
Easy now. Let's not do anything hilarious.
Shut your mouth, Hoon, or I'll shut you down.
Il ne vaut aucun mal, vous avez la parole.
Fire! I know what you are. One of Nia's cult goons. Sailed right in. Better to die in this shit heap than rot in Moonrise. You want me? Come get me.
Il lui adresser un sourire sincère et lui tendre la main. Allez. N'ai-je pas l'air...
Don't pretend you give a shit about me.
N'ai-je pas l'air digne de confiance?
Shit. I can't do it. Go on. Drag me to Moonrise. I'll make you cult nutters suffer.
Vous ne m'intéressez pas, en revanche, je vais prendre cette poudre à canon.
You want to barter with rune powder? Look, you have no idea what you're dealing with. Any true Iron Hand would trade their life for a grain of this stuff.
Donne.
I'll spare you a vial.
C'est très généreux de votre part, j'accepte. Vous comptez vous aller maintenant?
I go where there's shit to stir. And there's no shortage of options. I'm getting gone. You ought to do the same.
J'aurais dû directement activer le tour par tour. Ça apprendra. Je voulais troller un petit peu. Hop, il y a encore un petit peu de poudre à canon que j'aimerais récupérer. Le fait qu'ils me mettent tout ça là, alors que... Non. Vraiment. À la fin, j'aurais tellement d'explosifs que je vais one-shot Gortash. Voilà. Je vais juste le one-shot. Combat de boss ou pas, je vais le one-shot.
Never a dull moment.
Et c'est spécifiquement pour lui que j'utilise ce genre de truc. Vous comprendrez quand on arrivera à l'acte 3. C'est symbolique. Je trouve que c'est un juste retour des choses.
Something over there.
Ok. Maintenant, je peux retourner ici. Et là, on va s'occuper du cas de Ner. Ner, Nir. Oh. Je sais jamais. Bien, bien, bien. Bon, ils ont tous l'air d'être à peu près bien placés.
What are you waiting for? Finally! Beldron, can you hear me? Beldron!
Malheureusement, elle, on peut pas la sauver.
Finally! Worthless slaves! Your incompetence has been my ruin! Nick does not fail.
Arrêtez, plus aucun innocent ne mourra aujourd'hui, Ner.
You care for the weak, true soul. Most curious.
C'est vous qui êtes faible.
You dare speak to me without due reverence. That was your first and last mistake. Thrin, carve out her heart and
Faut pas oublier que dans la société Drow, les hommes sont en bas de l'échelle. Hein.
Indeed is a true soul. Let the absolute save her.
Faut savoir que un Drow noble homme a moins de pouvoir qu'une Drow femme mais mendiante. Si vous posez la main sur moi, je vous écorche vif.
The absolute guides my hand. You've chosen a battle you cannot win.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Dwegar, this true soul has betrayed us. Let her blood prove your devotion.
Bien, 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 bien.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
On va se mettre ici. Oh, ça va faire mal. Oh, j'ai pas vu. Attends, j'avais pas vu. À cause de ça, je suis considéré comme... Tiens. Ah ouais. Et attends, mais du coup, ça tape les gnomes. Salopard. Ah mais Karlak, t'étais pas dedans. Ah merde. Je l'avais pas vu. Premier degré, je pensais que... toi, tu résistes à quoi? Ouais, vulnérabilité aux dégâts de tonnerre. Sinon, c'est résistance à tout.
This is my happy place.
The lance board is set.
Gods, it's hot in here.
Pourquoi des avantages? Prise affaiblie.
Battle favors the fearless. Fleet of foot.
This is gonna feel good. Well, well. Look what we have here.
Bah voilà. Oh non. Chaque fois j'oublie. Ah, il est désarmé. Contre ça. Chut. Ça m'emmerde. Ça c'est rien ça. Sinon.
Battle favors the fearless. Coming through.
Reste invisible. Toi, tu vas me tuer. Cette gêneuse. Oh, je pensais pas que ça serait aussi efficace. Ah. J'ai plus besoin que tu maintiennes ça.
Taking position.
Salopard. Bah tu sais quoi?
Never a dull moment.
M'en fous.
Concentrate.
Fuck yes.
Ah. J'ai pas eu.
Got to keep fighting.
There's a parasite in that corpse, brimming with
Welcome,
potent
rest.
magic.
Peldron, are you all right?
I have something to ask.
Beldron! I was so worried! Didn't it hurt you?
No, no, I'm all right. Did the sergeant hurt you?
Oh, who cares? We're together now, thank Iron Hand.
We ought to thank someone a little closer by, I think. Gaedel Ironhand you may not be, but you damn well fight like him. I'm grateful, don't mistake me, but why help us? You're one of them, aren't you?
Je peux remercier Tula, celle qui m'a mis sur votre piste.
Glittering gods! I should have known that one was too damn stubborn to die. Here. The Iron Hand gnomes honor their debts. With Walbran gone, that falls to me.
Make it quick. We need to find Walbran. Now!
You're a little late, Barcus, my lad. He's already been sent to Moonrise Towers. We were just slave hands to the cult, but not Walbran. He knows things. Things they want to know, too.
What has he gotten himself mixed up in now?
Je vais à tout prix contrecarrer les plans de la secte. Nous devons sauver votre ami.
You really would, wouldn't you? But not us. My people can barely stand, and we have business back in the city. That business is what sent us after the powder to begin with. Now, we'll have to make other arrangements.
And just like that, you'd leave Walbran behind. I knew you lot were foolish, but I didn't know you were cruel.
If you knew half as much as you think, my lad, Walbran might have kept you around.
Dans ce cas, allez-y. Si mes affaires me mènent à Outline, je ferai mon possible pour libérer Walbran.
He'd admire your resolve and your optimism. My people will find somewhere to regroup across the lake, then on to the city. If you find yourself in Baldur's Gate, seek us out. We'll raise a glass to Walbran together.
Ne le jugez pas trop vite, vous comprendrez.
You don't need to. We're together.
Another step forward. I'll take that.
No. No, no, no.
Je me demande si je peux... Non. Si j'emmène juste Astarion, est-ce que je peux crocheter cette porte? Je me demande ce qu'il y a derrière. Rien, visiblement. Mais j'ai envie de savoir. C'est une blague. Il y a peut-être absolument rien, mais... Il y a absolument rien. Genre vraiment, il y a rien. Alors je sais pas pourquoi ça m'a fait progresser dans trouver Champigny, mais... Ah oui, c'est vrai. Il pose sa tête à celui-là. Okay.
The head breaks off cleanly from the drow's body.
Oh, dis donc.
Mina and Wiki.
1000 gold, c'est bien
Object
payé.
catches your eye. A lantern, it seems. Though no light flickers within.
Broken. And there's dust inside it.
Examiner la lanterne de plus près. Je pense que je vais pas gâcher un reroll pour ça. C'est pas important.
Nothing about the lantern strikes you as unusual. This is pixie dust, used to illuminate a lamp, or left behind after a pixie's death.
Dreaming red.
I'm your husband. It's my job. Not right. I wouldn't have
Not
it
right.
any other way. I'm so sorry.
A crooked touch.
It's not right. Not right.
Nothing hurts anymore.
I'm so sorry. Peldron, are you alright?
What's hiding here?
Lunkbug. Better now.
To keep going.
God,
Open up.
we're near. We're near.
Ok. Je pense qu'on peut s'arrêter pour cet épisode. Dans le prochain épisode, on va explorer la partie cachée de la Malforge. Voilà. Je vous fais des bisous et je vous dis à la prochaine YouTube.